How to use Heygen? This artificial intelligence is an AI talking avatar. To use it, you must first create an account. To create an account, there is a link in the description. Click, and then click on Get Started option. Now, in this page, click on the Google option to create your account very easily. I just clicked and go to this page. This is the home page of Heygen. The first step to use this AI tool to make a video is to choose a simple template from this section. Here you have a large library of different templates in different categories that you can search and choose one of them according to your needs. What you should know is that you can find the right category for any video you want to make here. Health and medical, e-commerce, explainer video, social media. You can also set your video ratio from this section. For example, do you want to make a horizontal or vertical video? As you can see, there are different categories for each ratio, and this makes video making very easy for us. Now, I want to choose a template and make a video together. I think this is good and simple. Keep in mind that each of these templates may consist of different slides according to the color and design of that template. So you can later remove the extras or make any changes or add anything you want to it. Click here to continue. Well, this page is for editing and making videos. You can change it by clicking on any of these objects inside the slide. It is very simple, as you can see. For each slide, you have a text that is written here, and in that slide, the speaker is going to read that text. This text can be in any language. You can write 5 sentences in one slide and make that video with a background, or make a separate slide for each sentence with a different background. It totally depends on your taste in making that video. You can make your entire video with one avatar or use different avatars for different slides. Anyway, click on this option to change the avatar. As you can see, there are many avatars here, in different genders and different races, and even with different clothes. For example, I want to change the avatar of this slide here. I choose this. Now I can even change the appearance of this avatar from this option. There are 3 different display modes for each avatar: close-up, half-body, circle view. You can choose any of these displaying modes for different videos. For example, you have definitely seen this type of circle view in many educational videos. Well, in the next step, I want to change the text that this avatar is going to say. Surely you have already prepared a text for the video you want to make. You can simply paste this text in this section. You can do this for all slides separately. Another simple change you can make here is changing the background. In the menu on the left, you have the option of elements. If you click on it, you have a collection of different objects, such as photos, videos, icons, stickers, etc. Just type what you are looking for here and search. You can find what you want from the suggestions. For example, I want to select this photo. Click on it. And now, in order to select it as background, right-click and select the Replace Background option. Can you imagine how easy it is to work with Heygen? If you see that the background color does not match your text or your avatar, you can easily do this as many times as you like and test different backgrounds. Now, you can easily change the color, type, size of the font from the tool menu above. Just enter this tool from the link I put in the description and test it yourself. And now, the main thing you can do in Heygen is to choose the right voice for the avatar. Click on this option on the right side to enter the Heygen voice library. Here you have many items to choose from, and you can filter what you want from the beginning to make your work easier. For example, you can choose the desired language and gender. Then click on the voice you want to apply it on your slide. If you change the default voice, please check all the slides before downloading the video so that the voices are the same. Another point is that you can add a new slide by clicking on this plus option. You can even delete any of the slides you want by clicking on the 3 dots option next to that slide. After all the edits, watch your video from the preview section, and then if everything is okay, click on Submit to download the video. In this simple way, instead of coming in front of the camera and talking yourself, you can use this AI avatar talking and create and publish even more optimized videos. I put the link in the description for you, and I also upload many tutorial videos on this channel about different AI tools. If this video was useful, please like it. Thank you guys.